Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be styling this vase that I purchased on Amazon. It is silver. It's more of a contemporary vase. It's 12 inches in height. Very lightweight, not too heavy. And you can see that it is textured. And this is a new purchase and I love it. To display my vase, I'm going to use this mirrored tray that is from Vase. It was $12.99. For this first look, I'm going to use these pink roses that are from Amazon. And I used 20 stems to give it a full look. These black tulips are my favorites. These are also the Real Touch and they're latex. They come in different counts, but I always order the 28 piece. And I added these white orchids. These are also the Real Touch. I used 3 pieces. That's all I needed to complete this look. And it turned out perfect. For this arrangement, I wanted to do more of a traditional look. I used white peonies from Michael's and added a pop of color with these beautiful florals from Hobby Lobby. To keep it really simple and cute, I used only 2 stems. They were $3 each. These lilies are from Walmart. To jazz it up, I added yellow tulips. Some are the mini and medium size. The mini tulips are from Amazon and the larger ones are from HomeGoods. These are some florals that I've had for about 2 years. They are from Hobby Lobby. This is a pretty purple color. It has a metallic sheen. This is a real simple look, real effortless. And I did use 6 stems to complete this look. And they are $6.99 each. So I added in turquoise. Now you can add in different florals of your choice to mix in with it, but I chose to go with these two. And if you have a larger vase, it will look even better. All right, so that is it. And I want to thank everyone for tuning in. You can take what you want from this video. Hopefully it will help. I hope it helps. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.